Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'll be showing my friend's $12,000 dream build mountain bike. He handpicked the parts and ordered them from competitive cyclists. We will be unboxing and assembling this amazing and very expensive machine. Watch the full video to learn what upgrades have been added. Comment down in the section below and let me know what you guys think of this dream build. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified for future videos. Without further ado, let's go! There it is guys, the Yeti SB150 cost $11,000 at the time of this build. He swapped out the XX1 Eagle derailleur and shifter with the XX1 Eagle AXS upgrade kit. This electronic derailleur is another $1,000, making this a $12,000 dream build bike. What do you think of this build? Comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified for future videos. See you all next time. Peace out.